How to fix something went wrong in TikTok shop. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you're getting hit with the dreaded something went wrong message in TikTok shop, let's fix this fast and clean. For that, first of all, you want to make sure that your internet connection isn't on vacation. No Wi-Fi means no TikTok magic, so make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. Once you do that, you want to head back to home screen and then open the App Store. Once you open the App Store, tap on the search icon and then search for TikTok. Once you search for it, if you see update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your TikTok application update to its latest version. Once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then open Settings application. Just like so, inside Settings, tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for TikTok and then tap onto it. And just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the TikTok and will also help you to clear the cache. So once you upload the app, you want to go ahead and reinstall it again. So once it is reinstalled, if it's still acting up, you want to go ahead and uninstall TikTok by long pressing onto it, then tapping on Remove App, then Delete App, then Delete again. Once you have uninstalled TikTok from your device, you want to visit App Store and then reinstall your TikTok application. So once you do that, if it still does not fix your issue, you want to reach out to TikTok support. They're not mind readers, so you can go ahead and send a screenshot of the error so they know what they are fighting for. So you can go ahead and follow these steps and you should be back to scrolling and shopping in no time. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.